In today's video, I'm going to teach you Perplexity AI via Google Search. Let's start with what each tool is built to do at its core. Perplexity is designed to synthesize answers. That means when you ask a question, it pulls from multiple sources and delivers a cohesive, plain English response, usually with citations right there. It aims to give you the answer, not just the places where answers might exist. Google Search, on the other hand, is built to provide links. It indexes and ranks pages across the web so you can choose which source to open. Your result is a list of options, sometimes accompanied by an AI-style summary, but the default experience is about discovery rather than direct explanation. Now, when should you use each? Think of Perplexity as your companion for research and complex topics. If you're comparing frameworks, synthesizing reports, or trying to understand a complicated subject quickly, its consolidated cited responses can save a lot of time. Google shines for daily queries and navigational searches. If you're looking for a specific site, a nearby service, breaking news on a familiar topic, or quick facts where you already know the destination, Google gets you there fast. Accuracy and citations are where the difference becomes practical. With Perplexity, you'll often see sources linked in line, so you can click through to verify claims or dive deeper. This helps reduce the back and forth of opening multiple tabs to piece things together. Google lists results and leaves the synthesis to you. You might see snippets or a brief AI summary, but the expectation is that you'll evaluate the sources yourself. A useful habit in both cases is to scan the citations or top links before taking anything as final, especially for nuanced or high-stakes questions. Let's talk speed and convenience. For quick, simple questions, like a store's hours, a weather check, or a product page, Google is typically faster. You'll get what you need in a click or two. But when you want comprehensive information on a topic, Perplexity can be more convenient. It consolidates the relevant points and shows where they came from, reducing the time you'd spend assembling that picture on your own. To wrap up, use Perplexity when your priority is understanding, synthesis, and cited overviews. And use Google when your priority is navigation, quick lookups, or exploring a range of sources yourself. Try phrasing your intent clearly in both tools. Skim the sources they surface, and choose the path that best matches the depth and speed you need.